Hello friend, my name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Bro Learner. Today we are going to download and install Audacity in our Windows 11 machine. For that, open your favorite browser and search Audacity download and then hit enter. You can see the official website www.audacity.org. Just open this. Now here you can see the download option for Windows, macOS or Linux. You can choose your operating system and install it. Just click here and you can see the current version is 3.3.3. Okay. Now here you can see it is successfully downloaded, and now here just double click on it, and after that I minimize this. Just click on yes, and I minimize this and click on OK. Now click on next, and here you have to read the term and condition. Just click on next. This is the program file where it install. Click on next and just take this as it is and click on next, and now click on install. It is a lightweight application, that's why it is successfully installed. Now just click on finish. It will load the Audacity software. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Now this is the simple and easy interface of Audacity where you can import your audio file and edit according to your need. So this is how you can download and install Audacity in your Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.